viewers. Today we will discuss two important questions based on linear equation in one variable. This is a word problem. Actually, how from word problem to we have to formulate the equation. This is the main thing. First we have to find out the logic. What is the logic? Then we have to formulate from word problem to in equation form. Then we will calculate. Okay. So let's discuss the question. Just I am reading the question now. There are 90 multiple choice questions in a exam. In a competitive exam, there are 90 multiple choice questions are there. For every correct answer, you are getting 2 marks. Okay. For every correct answer, you are getting 2 marks. For wrong and unattempted unattempted questions, you are losing 1 marks. 1 marks will be deducted from your main score. Your total score is 60 marks. Okay. Then find out how many questions you answered correctly. Okay, how many questions you answered correctly. So just we have to find out this. This is a word problem question. So now just we have to think the logic. So if as we have to find out the number of questions we answered correctly, let it be x. We don't know and we have to find out this. So let questions we answered correctly x. Number of questions answered correctly, let it be x. Okay. So for correct answer, we are getting 2 marks. So as x number of questions are correct, so marks we are getting must be your 2x. Am I right? For wrong and unattempted question, 1 mark will be deducted from the main score. As total number of questions, as your total number of questions is 90. So wrong and unattempted question must be 90 minus x. As x questions are number of questions x are correct questions, so must be 90 minus x are unattempted and wrong answer questions. So the marks deducted from the main score is equal to your 1 into 90 minus x. That will be deducted from our main score. So this is your 2x you are scoring. 2x. As this much marks are deducted, so I am subtracting from this. And your total score is given 60 marks. Right? So this is equal to 60 marks. So this is your 2x minus 90 plus x is equal to 60. So now 2x plus x, 3x is equal to this 90, take this side. So 60 plus 90, that is equal to 150. X is equal to, what will be the value of x? 3 is multiplied here. Right hand side it will be divided, that is 50. So x is how many questions you answered correctly. We are taking number of questions answered correctly will be x. So x is, you got now x is equal to 50. So you 50 questions are your correctly answered questions. Okay. I think you understood this. This is a very important question. You will face this type of problems in many competitive exams like your math scholarship exam, many Olympiad exams, IPM exam, NTSC exam. Okay. So this is the thing. Next we will discuss one more question. Question is that I want to discuss question number 2. That I am reading the question. This is also a word problem. The distance between two stations C and D. The distance between two stations, distance between two stations C and D is your given in the question 230 kilometer. Suppose this is place C, this is your D, and this is your distance is 230 kilometer. Next, two motorists start simultaneously from C and D in opposite directions. So this is one motorist starts from here. As they are start simultaneously in opposite direction, let one motorist start in this way, the other motorist start in this way. Okay. And the distance between them after 3 hours is 20 kilometer. After 3 hours, in between them, after 3 hours, the distance between them is 20 kilometer. If the speed of, and it is also given in the question that speed of one motorist is less than the other by 10 kilometer per hour. Okay. Find the speed of each motorist. We have to find out the speed of each motorist. The speed we have to find out. So how will find out this? First we have to think the logic. Then we have to formulate from word problem to equation. It is given that the two motorists start simultaneously traveling in opposite directions, and after 3 hours the distance is 20 kilometer, and speed of one motorist is less than the other by 10 kilometer. So I am just taking let speed of one motorist is equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay. Then the speed of other motorist कितना हो जाएगा? Speed of other motorist that must be x minus 10 kilometer per hour, because that given speed of one motorist less than the other by 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is this. So after traveling 3 hours, the distance between them is 20 kilometer. So in that particular after traveling 3 hours, what is the distance? What is the distance motorist cover? So let the first motorist, one motorist, distance covered is, you know that distance is equal to your speed into time. So speed is equal to, we are taking first motorist, the one motorist speed x kilometer per hour. So x into time is given 3 hours. So that is the distance is 3x kilometer. Next, the other motorist cover the distance is equal to this is the speed x minus 10 into your 3 hours. So that is 3x minus 30 kilometer. Right? Just I am rubbing this, as you know this. Next, the total distance is given 230 kilometer, and this in between the distance is 20 kilometer. So this distance 3x, one motorist covered 3x distance plus other one, this much 3x minus 30 plus 20 is equal to your total distance, that is your 230 minus 10 is equal to 230. So 6x is equal to 240. It implies x is equal to 40. So what is that given? That speed of fast motorist is your, this is your first one, motorist. So we are taking that x kilometer per hour. So that is 40 kilometer per hour. And the speed of the other one, that is 10 less. So that is your other speed is equal to your 40 minus 10, 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the thing, we already derived this. So I think you clear this one. It's a very important question. Any doubts in any place, you can comment me in comment box. So we'll meet in my next video. Bye.